Imagine having a super smart assistant that helps you ace exam and crush business goals. That's ChatGPT. For students, it's a 24/7 study buddy. It breaks down tough concepts, brainstorm easy ideas, proofreads your writing, and build a custom study guides. Stuck on a calculus problem, ChatGPT walks you through it. Need a practice quiz before finals? It creates one instantly. No more late night panics, just smarter and faster learning. For businesses, ChatGPT is a productive powerhouse. Draft professional emails in seconds, generate scroll-stopping marketing copy, summarize 50-page reports in a snap, and create scale scripts that actually close deals. Need a week's worth of social media post in your brand voice? Done. It's your always on analyst, copywriter, and a customer support team, freeing you to focus on growth. Whether you are chasing straight A's or scaling your startup, ChatGPT saves hearts every single day. It sparks fresh ideas, solve complex problems, and turn your thought into action, all from a simple chat. Just type what you need and it delivers. No tech skills required. Start using ChatGPT today and transform the way you learn and work. The smartest student and the savviest entrepreneur are already ahead. Don't get left behind. Unlock your full potential right now. Bye bye.